Thank you for coming to this video. This is the fourth video of our Google Forms. Here I'll introduce you the few features of a Google Forms. Those are like how you can do the customization, how you can share these forms with the other people, along with that how you can add the sessions. So here we will go one by one. So right now we have already understood that how we can create the form and how we can put our questions. Now here is the one thing that additional that you can do. Suppose in case if you have the form like it has a multiple things. One is like you want to go with the basic introduction part, later on some additional questions that you're asking into aptitude test. Then again there's another section. So if your form is too lengthy, then like to do the scroll down and all that seems to be like a lengthy and people will feel irritated. So if you want to keep it smaller and shorter, sweet and small and short, so you can go with one thing that like you can divide it with the sections. So here is like basic introduction part I have told you. Now let me introduce you the how you can create the sections. So let me go with the controls here. How I can show you. So this is the email ID. Later on, I have already mentioned some of the questions to be below of this question. So now after this, I want to create another session. So this page will go to the second page. How you can do that? So here I'll go with the session part. See, now you have already created. After this question, I mean like wherever actually I clicked, where I clicked last time on the question, exactly below of that, you will create the another session. So as per the requirement, you can go with it and you can create your own session. Now, suppose in case if I want to go with another session for this after this question, because something like rating is coming up, so you can add here the session, another one that would be the three. And you can here put the name of United Station and description also you can put it additionally that can enhance your form about what it is exactly and what it regards to. Okay, now let's begin with the how you can check how it looks. So previous session में जाके check करेंगे. We will check into the previous session that now can see here it is like a next is coming up. So if I click on the next page will come. But he will not permit it because I have already here marked that you have to put the answer compulsory. Without that, your form will can't go ahead. So here I'm just mentioning ABCD. It's your and the email ID ab@gmail.com. Okay. So next, you can go with the next page. Now I want to check the performance of it in the sense like I'll show you an option whenever you're creating the session. So you should check the performance also. For that, what you in settings? Let me go with the settings one. Okay. Now, if you check here, show progress bar, it means what? Like if I turn it on, then what will happen? I'll show you how exactly it works. Previous session. So if you go to the bottom of this form, you can see here it is like it will show you the performance range. Whether you have come with the first form, second form, or third form. Once you're done with it, you can come back again to the form that thank you so much, so and so. That pop-up will come. And next thing that how you can customize it. Now let me go with that one also. Here you can see the option customization. Now the customization in the sense like theme, if whatever you want to select, you can select it blue. You can select this one also, or additionally if you want, you can go with some other color also. Green. You can check it how it goes. Add. Okay, fine. You can see it is changed now. Based upon that, he will select by default what is matchable color with this one. And even the questions that what font that you like to go with and size and all, everything that you can do it based upon what is your requirement. So already I have mentioned about like how you can make this form attractive by putting the image at the top of it. Then second thing like what this form in regards to ये form किसके बारे में है और along with that उसके बाद video refer this video so you can then easily fill up the form, right? So in this form that you can also learn about how, I mean, okay, let me go with the option called share, how you can do the share and all. So this option can you see here it is like you can do the share with the this form you can share with the now here you can see it is restricted one. Okay, so restricted if I want to with anyone with the link, you can just copy the link and you can send it to that particular, and by default the editor will come. By default the editor will come, and then you can, I mean, that person who received the form, he can fill it up. Now it is already to be like a responder view and anyone with the link. Okay, fine. Editor will be able to view and delete the form responses, publish the form to accept responses. Fine. Now here I'm just adding one more email ID to be like here, and I want to just share as an editor. I can just send it to this person also. Only this person can will get this notification about like, I have shared this form with you, and he can go with that. So this is the one thing that you can do. Let me tell you about how you can also share this your form link with the developer, so he can put that into the form, and he can make it allow other people also to put their credentials so they can get the easy access, and along with that, we'll get the details of them. So I show you how you can do that. But for that one that I have told you, the one requirement that is must. Without that, that won't be happen. I'll show you. Now this is like, he's asking about the upload your picture. If I go with the embed HTML, what he's saying, this form cannot be embedded because it makes use of a file upload questions. He is not permitting. Then what you can do, first of all, what you have to do is like sit in this question and delete this one. Okay. Now you can go again to that one, embedded HTML. Here now you will get the link. You can just speak to your developer about what width and height that you required, put particular that height and width, and copy that this link with the and this link of this HTML, embedded HTML, and then you can share it with the developer. So easiest way, you can very easily understand, and you can share with the developer easily. So these are the methods that you can go with it. And one more thing that I forgot to tell you, that is like, why sharing this one. If I go with the sharing, I've already said anyone with the link, it is by default editor. But don't forget that you don't permit any other one who can change the access of other people. With multiple people, if you're sharing it up, so don't allow other people to make any kind of editing in that so he can behave as a owner for that particular file. So don't forget this to unmark this one, and then you can again come back here. You can add this particular person with whom you want to share, or else like you can directly go with this one and share this, copy responder link. Currently nobody can respond. Do you want to copy this unpublished form link? You can, after published, you can directly copy this one link, and then you can share with the other people. And many other concept like how you can pay the quiz also and all, that also you will see into the upcoming videos. So now this is enough for the today. Today for this in this video we have already done the basic concept about like how you can do the customization, then basic of like how you can do the sharing this forms, and how you can create the sessions. So we'll meet into the next video. Till see you, take care, bye bye. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.